You can watch the whole video all the way through and then come back and do part of it again. Okay. Now I'm going to add to this to turn it into more of my hot air balloon. I'm going to make a little guy in my hot air balloon. He's going to be the person flying this hot air balloon. Okay. I just drew him in with my pencil. I'm going to color his shirt and his hair with some markers. Okay. Then we need to attach our basket to the hot air balloon. I'm going to do that with a black marker. I'm going to make the strings that are actually holding that balloon and basket together. Okay, so there's the strings that are holding our balloon in. I'm also going to take my black marker and I'm going to outline around my color wheel. Remember, we've talked about when you outline something, you want to go slowly, drive on the road as carefully as you can, stay on your pencil line. Okay, I am also going to outline between the colors. Okay. I'm going to outline my basket and my little guy that's in there too. So now we've kind of turned that color wheel into a hot air balloon. But we're not quite done yet. Remember, we've talked about when we go to the art museum, we don't see a lot of white paper or a lot of blank areas on a painting or a drawing. The artist usually tries to fill the whole page with color. So we're going to add some background. And this hot air balloon is way up in the sky. So I'm just going to color some or draw some clouds with my pencil. Some of those clouds might be kind of tucked behind the hot air balloon. Some of them may be down low because he's really high up in the sky. So I just added some cloud shapes. Then we're going to finish this off with crayon. Even if you have markers, I'd like for you to do this part with crayon. I'm going to take my crayon and I'm going to color around my cloud shapes. Going to let my wrist and fingers do all the work. And I would finish by coloring all the rest of this white space of the sky with my blue crayon. I'm not going to take the time to color all of mine here on the video, but I'll show you what I've been working on. So here's my cloud, and then I'm doing the blue sky all around it. This would be blue up here. Even these areas in here would be blue, blue down here at the bottom. Let me show you some finished examples that some third graders did. Some of them added some other things, and you could do that too if you would like. So here's one that was done by a third grader. They have their colors in the correct order. They chose to add a sun. You could do that if you want. And they're showing some of the mountaintops and the tops of some of the trees that the hot air balloon is flying over. Filled things in as neatly and as carefully as they can. If you'd like to add some of these other things, you could do that. Here's another one. Okay, again, they filled in the whole background. There's not a lot of white showing, just the white of the clouds. And here's the last one I was going to show you. Okay. Again, it's okay if your colors are not all the same size. That's all right, as long as they're in that order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. All right? I hope you have fun doing your color wheel hot air balloon. When I look at these for report cards, there's 3 things I'm going to look for. Number 1, I'm going to make sure that you completed the project, that you had your name on it and turned it back into Mrs. Patterson. It's very important. Number 2, I want to see that those colors are in that correct order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Okay? And the other thing is I'm going to look to see if you filled that whole paper up with color, or did you leave a lot of white space other than the clouds. So those are 3 things: that you complete it and you turn it in to Mrs. Patterson, you have the colors in the correct order, and you have filled the whole paper with color. I'm not looking for perfect hot air balloons. It's okay if the colors are different sizes, as long as they're in the right order. I hope you have fun doing your color wheel hot air balloons, and I hope to see you at school soon. Thank you.